Hello people! Welcome to your first step into the world of data science. In the upcoming videos, we shall learn about the world of data and understand why data science is the most enticing job of the 21st century. Today, the biggest asset for businesses is data. It is the new oil. Businesses require data for making informed decisions. Companies use customer data to improve products or marketing strategies. Governments use data to set policies on public health, education, and economics. YouTube suggests videos based on viewing history and preferences. Data becomes powerful when it's collected responsibly, analyzed intelligently, and used ethically. On its own, data is just raw information. But, when processed and interpreted, it becomes a tool for action, progress, and change. Data science is the art and science of turning raw data into meaningful insights and actionable knowledge. It is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. The applications of data science are limitless. Forecasting, informed decision-making, recommendation systems, optimization, innovation and discovery are some of the domains where data science is used extensively. Humankind generates around 500 million terabytes of data every day, and it is only going to grow. All kinds of data, like text, images, videos, etc., are created. So, there is a necessity for quite a few data disciplines to consume, analyze, and put the data to good use. Before we begin to understand data science, let us clear the air of some ambiguity surrounding the various data fields. Data analysis, data analytics, data science, data engineering, and data visualization have become the buzzwords. Let us understand these terms properly before we get cracking at the basics. For instance, let us consider the problem of cart abandonment in an e-commerce scenario. The business has identified that there is a huge abandonment of cart amongst the users, and it is hurting the revenue. Let us see the focus of each data discipline in solving this problem. Data visualization is a vital aspect in the world of data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, it helps people understand trends, outliers, patterns, and relationships in data. Data analysis is the process of uncovering information, or understanding what has happened, by making use of visualization tools. It is descriptive in nature. In the case of e-commerce, uncovering that the cart abandonment is very common among a specific section of users would be a sample outcome. We understood the focus area of the problem using data analysis. Data analytics takes this one step further. It is diagnostic and predictive in nature. We try to understand why the problem has happened and what effect would follow. Pertaining to our example, we could potentially isolate the users who are more likely to abandon the cart. Going one step further, data science focuses on preemptively solving the problem the next time it occurs. In other words, data science encompasses data visualization, data analysis, and data analytics at various stages. It also employs machine learning, or deep learning models to extract value from the data, or solve a problem using the insights derived from the data. By nature, this is prescriptive. In the case of our example, suggesting the products appealing to the user and giving real-time discounts help reduce cart abandonment. In summary, data analytics is a subset of data science, and data analysis is a routine activity performed whenever data is involved. While data analytics focuses on uncovering the root cause of the problem, data science focuses on solving that problem and preventing it from recurring in the future. Data science may or may not use artificial intelligence techniques like machine learning to solve that problem. Artificial intelligence is the broad field of creating machines or systems that can simulate human intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn from data and improve performance without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to model complex patterns in large datasets. Data engineering is the practice of designing, building, and maintaining the systems and infrastructure that collect, store, and process data for all the above purposes. If you're aspiring to become a data scientist, all the aforementioned disciplines would be a part of your workflow. You would do analysis to understand more about the data in general. You would do machine learning to build and train models. You would do analytics to learn more about the impact each feature brings. Now, it is time to dive deeper into the world of data science. Let's first look at some of the libraries and tools that we commonly use in data science. Seaborn, Matplotlib, Power BI, and Tableau are used for data visualization. Power BI and Tableau are interactive and enable deeper analysis. SQL, Excel, NumPy, Pandas, Python, and R are used for analytics. We use scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch for building machine learning and deep learning models. Throughout this playlist, we'll be learning about the various libraries that we use in data science. By the end of this playlist, you will be comfortable with using those indispensable tools. Time for a quick recap. We learned about the power of data and why businesses need to make data-driven decisions. We also cleared the ambiguity between the closely related data disciplines. We understood the focus of those disciplines and the questions they would answer. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the data science libraries. Until next time, happy learning!